Check, mic check.
Potasio. 500 plus ang actual na conversion from dollars to pesos of the 999.
Huh?
500
Stars?
plus is what you're getting for free with the code.
Check.
500 plus. Hello. Are we live? R?
Check.
Hello.
Check. Yung boses ko yung mahina. Check.
Checking.
Okay lang si Jaime. Hello, check.
R?
No.
Hello.
Check. Yung boses ko yung mahina. Check.
Checking. Good evening, everybody. Right now we're at the residence of
Wala pa atang nanonood.
Darto Nakaw and
May 1 viewer lang. Ako yun.
Renton.
Wala pa tayong viewer. May 2 viewers na. Ayun. Ikaw yung isa. Wala pa viewers. Dire ka, para makita nimo. Dire ka. Kita nimo mga viewers, comments.
ngayon
4 viewers. May
ako
4 viewers na.
It's past our bedtime. We're late with our live stream today. We did not jog this morning as we promised last night because the little one, Micho, did not wake up at 7 a.m. And if he does not wake up, then we will all not wake up. We have some activities for tonight's viewing, and we have some codes to give for free watch, but we'll be mentioning them in different parts of the video so that you actually stay and watch. And you may also send your stars, like the stars that we got last night. Thank you so much again for those 50 pesos. What we got with the stars from last night, may I ask Dar to get the box of Lola Nenas?
Okay.
Non-sponsor, but it's what we could afford with the stars that you sent last night, which is the toasted siopaw of Lola Nenas Bakery. Ay, non-sponsor.
Chinek ko kung magkano yung income.
150. 100.
0.10
Thank you so much again for those 50
$1.
from the stars. So you pay 49 pesos for 99 stars.
I don't know.
No, yun nga yung nakita ko kapon. 49 pesos for 99 stars. And that doesn't all go to the page?
No. Ano lang siguro, baka piso out of 100. Ganun. Kaya niya sa Facebook.
Ah! Wow, that's crazy.
May
Ano ba
9
gagawin natin ngayon, Dar?
May 9 viewers na tayo. Hintayin natin mag 1,000 views.
So, hindi na tayo matatapos dito. Okay. While we wait, I'll be eating some toasted siopaw and drinking from my tea because it's so late. Ang late na nagda-livestream pa tayo kasi ito, hindi naman siya, sabi niya 9 p.m. tapos 10 p.m. Tapos lumabas siya kaninang 10 p.m. lang. Kasi he's watching out for the top viewers, the top films that are being viewed right now on demand. Right now, number 1 is Hanging. Huh? A film that starts...
Something?
Ah, yeah. And then
Anyway, way up. Ang laki ng gap sa number 2.
Hmm.
I think times 2 or more.
You heard that right. The name of that film. And then there's also a surprise of number 3 being ang Pamilya Mogool, di ba? From out of nowhere. Malaki ang fan base ni Direk Jermaine Tulbo coming from.
Hirap naman ito.
Really. Jermaine Tulbo just won also in Gawad Alternativo recently. There's a lot of films that are in Gawad and you know, they join Binisaya and stuff and it's cool. Anyway, you may comment questions right now. We're gonna do an unboxing before we give free codes to watch in Vimeo on demand. Today, let me introduce to you again to the Tony Stark of Taytay, Mr. Dar Tonakaw. Ton, is it Tonakaw or Tonyakaw?
It's Tonyakaw. May mic up.
It's Tonyakaw.
Tonyakaw.
Kunwari, check niyo yung comments kasi ayaw niya makipag-eye contact sa inyo. So, mag-eye contact ha, pre. Oh. So, si Dar, itong si Dar, before I went here...
Mag-unboxing na tayo.
Hindi magkukwento muna ako. So, si Dar, well, the first time I met Dar, it was in Q Cinema 2022. Siya ang nagko-cover, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Siya ang nagko-cover ng Q Cinema ko. So, he was, me and JT, he was covering for, like, videoing the BTS for me and JT. Tapos, naka-vibe ko si Dar. Sobrang bait kasi, with his long hair that's not existent anymore. Very vibe, very Cebuano. Then, I went to see you next.
Dito natin.
Dito? Oh, yeah. Tapos, he stayed with Sir Keith for, like, days and weeks and months. Ganon. Tapos, nagbaband lang sila. Actually, sila ang real couple. Dar and Sir Keith. They, Batman and Robin or Robin and Robin ba? Oh. Yeah. Tapos si Dar, ano yan? Before I went here, sabi ko, magja-jog tayo ng umaga, Dar. Sabi niya, are you really asking me to exercise? 15 minutes later, nag-send siya ng picture. Bumili siya ng 2 sapatos from Nike. Sabi ko, you should save your money for when you start to date. Oh, diba? So si Dar, may pera yan to date. Kasi ngayon, single siya. So yung pinag-suspendan niya, it's for himself. So, you know, he's waiting for someone to spend on. He knows a lot of stuff. He's very smart with tech. He's very smart with knowledge and film and editing. Sometimes he's knowledgeable also with love.
No, nonsense.
So, right now he will be unboxing. Hi, Michu.
Hi.
You can't show up in the camera if you don't have a shirt.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
I thought it's your bedtime. Oh, you can say hi to the mic without showing up.
okay. Hello.
Viewers.
Michu has a YouTube channel which is
Ilang viewers na.
right?
Yes.
Ano kita?
Good night, Michu.
Good night.
7 a.m.
Hindi makita dito.
I give the floor to Dar who's going to do an unboxing now while I unbox this toasted chopaw.
Sige. So, mag-unboxing tayo.
Ano ba to, Dar? Ba't ang laki-laki ng box na to?
Package to siya from Mr. Avengers. Galing to kay Tony Stark himself. Pinadala to.
Legitimate.
Yeah. Galing pa tong Planet Yekok. Alam mo yung Planet Yekok?
Your cock?
Bawal yan. Di, Yekok. Di mo alam yun, Yekok. Yung planet ni Koke.
Bro, parang...
Planet ni
natin
Koke
i-censor
yun.
to.
Planet ni Koke yung Yekok. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait lang, check ko na
Okay.
yung stream. Conscious ako. Koke.
Dar, just unbox the freaking thing so we can give the promo codes and go to sleep.
Ay, oo nga no. Wait. Okay lang stream. Sige, unbox tayo. Actually, di ko to alam kung ano to. Buksan na natin.
Oh. Oh.
Kita ba? Op!
Bakit?
10,000 pesos. Pera o ba yung...
Nagulat ako.
Pera o ba yung...
Just open the freaking box.
Wow!
Di naman kita. Unboxing, di naman kita.
Ay,
Oo.
ilapit yan natin ng konti.
Okay na.
Huwag na, di yan naabot eh.
Wag na. Ilabas mo na lang yung mga server.
Okay, sige. Mabango siya. Humot. Bagong-bago.
Kailangan mo kwentaro lang. 15 na rin yung gamit.
Sige, so meron siyang manual. Nya naa siya'y sa man eh. Daghan na niya ra. Awanan sa lamisa. Sige, so mag-unbox tayo ngayon. So ito, dimension. Okay, so may manual. Merong
Marble.
ano to? Outlet for charging ata to eh. Mabubuhos yan na yun eh.
Mag-unboxing tayo together at the same time while you're talking and talking also.
Sige. Ano yung na-unbox mo?
This is called.
Charger to siya.
This is called.
Okay.
This is called.
Viewers, silent viewers. Comment kayo.
Bite-sized dark chocolate covered
Red, hi Red.
toffee pieces made with toasted peanuts from Nonos.
Bawal 60. Bawal 60. So, ano ba ito? Yan. Okay. Tapos, meron din headset.
Put it in the
Meron
table.
siyang tatlong headset. 4, 5. 5 headsets. Okay.
Is
and
anyone
then,
actually
meron din
listening to
siyang
Dark?
charger.
Because I'm not
Okay,
really
charger.
listening to it. Are you listening to Tar? What do you think Tar is doing?
Marvel. I heard it.
What is he doing?
Oh, so may
Marvel.
di siya battery eh. Sino?
Rain Joshua.
Ba't di ko makita?
RJ, can you let's treat this like
Ayun. Hi, may penge daw siya pa. Sabi ni Red.
red.
Terry, Miko, Mike, take over please. O, ikaw daw mag-take over, Micho. Sabi ni Terry.
Saan yung foam ng microphone mo?
Hello.
Here.
I
Yuck! You folded the foam.
Sige.
Micho, you host now. I'm tired.
What?
Tell us about your day. What's your learning in school? Come on, bro. I'm like tired na.
Ba't green to? Master, ito master.
Just leave it here.
Green is master. Ito remote. Master ako.
Wait,
bahala ako.
shout out break.
Sige, shout out.
Si Nico Marts na naman. Ang dami ng pinapa-shoutout ni Nico Marts. Pa-shoutout ko hang Maeva Boucher. Is that how you say it? Celeste Kai Colares, Paulo Tipaniero, EJ Manglikmot, John Anthony Cho, Kent Bangkas, Kleismer Migraso Ricafort, and Kang Mambing Martin of Taurus Records and Vintage Collectibles. You are Baklay Core. We are Baklay Core. please let us know what baklaykor means. You know what baklaykor means?
Baklay is yung naglalakad.
Okay.
Atoy.
RJ, can you please tell me how you are there in Cebu in the comments?
Here.
Yee! Let us know how you are doing there in Cebu. If anyone is there in Cebu for BINISAYA, let us know in the comments so that we can, connect with each other. The Jared Show is in Cebu with Carlara. They're always open to hang out, right?
Face the camera, Mitch. Face the camera. And then
You guys can also visit Micho's YouTube channel, Jesus Michu TV. Jesus Michu.
M-I-C-C-O.
Michu with an M-I-C-C-O.
No TV in it.
Okay, wait. Let's switch sides. Can I borrow your glasses again? I'll be Micho for tonight. And then you have to pretend to be me.
I can't.
try ito ban.
I play Roblox.
Basically, every child does.
You're gonna interview me.
Lagi, singot kayo ni. Kuman.
Why are you getting my glasses? Okay. Let's show everyone a handshake. You have to stay here.
Mitcho, you read comments. Sino bang nagko-comment? Nasa sketchy Airbnb ako right now. Sana bukas di ako maging corned beef. Si Rain.
Sabi ni RJ, nasa sketchy Airbnb ako right now. Sana bukas di ako maging corned beef.
Lahat.
Shout out kay Jared Show. You need to meet RJ.
Red Honorides.
Red Orolier. What?
Si Red. Basta si Red. Red Ramirez.
Hep Hep Hooray! Okay, we'll do Hep Hep Hooray now.
Yeah.
You know Hep Hep Hooray, Micho? Okay.
I know the Vietnam War.
What? Di ata nila narinig.
Can you say it again?
I know the Vietnam War.
Why? What's with the Vietnam War?
I just know it.
Is that what you're learning in school now?
Lahat?
No.
Then why are you curious about that certain point in time?
That was a long time
quest
ago.
pala.
Yeah, I wasn't even born yet.
Same.
Let me borrow this, Mitcho.
Same. Comment
Here,
in the
this
comments if you think that Micho and I look alike.
Say yes.
Oh, you wanna look like me? Because Micho was very inspired when I said earlier to him when we were having our personal conversation during dinner that I had a beautiful girlfriend, and he was like, "Oh, maybe someday I'll get a beautiful." Not yet, right? Not yet.
But I'm agreeing on
I
you that
agree,
we both look
Hepepuri.
alike.
Hmm?
But I'm agreeing on you that we both look alike.
Okay, we look
I
alike.
agree with everyone in the comments that say that we look alike.
No one in the comments is saying that we look alike.
Edmond Telmo, shout out.
Hello?
Hello?
Edmund Tel, actor of Cantil. Hello. Oh my God, why are you watching? John Lloyd of the John Lloyd of the Philippines, sasabihin ko eh. How are you
Am I clear?
doing?
Am I clear?
How has your experience been in acting? And we'll give you a code, a BINISAYA free code, Sir Edmund.
Yeah, it's working. Nagsalita ka ka.
Oh, nagsasalita nga ako ngayon. Mukha tayong eng-eng dito sa live stream. Hindi naman kami on anything. We're just like very sleepy right now.
Oh, basta ka nag-comment.
Nagbasa na ako ng comment. Ba't niyo ako iniwan dito? What will I talk about? Ba't niyo ako iniwan dito? Di naman ako...
No, it's not. This is not a toy.
This is your mom's.
Yeah.
No, it's ours.
Yeah, it's ours.
It's ours. Oh, because I don't think we were supposed to touch it.
But we are.
It was for her work.
Yeah.
Now we look legit. We're like live streamers right now.
That's true.
We're legit. Oh, anong sabi nila?
Even
Shout
if this
out.
only connects to each.
Shout out to Leonard Apaw, aka John Lloyd of Davao.
Cool headphones. Yes, Carl. Cool juga siya.
Wait, no,
Oh,
we're gonna
let's
get
try
in trouble.
Okay lang? Okay lang. Let's try the distance. Yeah. Go.
Picho is gonna send the headphones to Mama Gail, who owns the headphones. But we're just a bunch of young little boys who are playing with her tech. She's gonna be like, where did you get those? Susumbong tayo ng youngest. Oh, we're so dead.
Saan to? Para saan to? Ah, okay. So, battery. Charger.
Pwede siya i-charge directly ang kani.
Oh, USB.
Ang ano pala, ang late like when you're talking and then when it goes in the live stream, it's like parang kanina pa yan parang 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Uy, si Mama Gil nagsasalita sa tenga ko.
Natawa.
Okay.
Oh,
I got scared for a bit. She was talking in my ear.
Oh, abot siya dun. Ganda. So
Walang
nice.
guest appearance ni Mama Gil, no. Because she's working and we are just being stupid boys at night. What did she say? I didn't hear what she said in the headphone.
She said nothing.
She said something.
Like,
She said nothing.
These com sets are so nice, by the way. Mama Gil owns this. Alam mo na, baby. Mama Gil has com set.
Hello. Nasa tate.
is it comfortable?
Ano tayo? Micho and Tar, come here.
Hello.
Just follow my lead. Oh, put your shoulders up. Ganun lang tayo, wala ng viewers Gusto stability.
Love viewers ba?
Viewers, do you
Ito tayo.
think we look stupid?
Di ata tayo narinig eh.
Viewers, do you think we look
Yeah,
Ayoko na.
that's
Pinagpapakita
also
ng...
what
Uy!
Ito, nagpa-prep tayo for our job tomorrow, di ba?
Ah, okay.
Comment if we
Preparation
look
for ano pala
stupid,
to.
chat.
Talk to them, Mitcha. Talk to them.
Ano, nakailang minuto na tayo.
Talk to them.
Chat. Comment down if we look stupid. Comment down if we look stupid. Pedro.
Oy, Box, what's up?
Welcome to the underground.
Walang gas appearance si Mama Gal. Wala. Shout out Nico Marts. Sabi ni Red.
Si Red and si
Hi.
Nico March. Kailangan lang mag-meet with Red.
Drake?
Drake?
Ayan. Ano sabi mo?
Rain is bored in Cebu. Meron pa siyang 3 days pa ba? 3 days?
I'm not sure.
Let me read comments.
You can read
Comment down
comments
if we look
here.
stupid.
Ginagawa natin mic yung headphones sa akin dito.
Confused na nga ako.
Ayoko na.
Okay, na. Tapos na. Tapos na unboxing.
Okay, we're done with the unboxing. So, blink thrice if you guys need help. Okay, I think we can give codes now.
May kita yung
What's the
video. Ganun.
codes?
I know Morse code.
What's my code? Potasio?
I know
What's my
Morse
code?
Ba't kailangan ng code?
I know Morse code.
Okay, everybody, for Binisaya films, you may use my code Protasio.
What does that mean?
And you get access to watch films for free in Binisaya on demand. The title is the link. Yeah, have fun watching the films. And don't forget to save the date for Archipelago Rising 2 showing August 23, 24. 24. Kami matutulog na. Because magja-jogging pa kami bukas ng 7 a.m. Did you set your alarm?
Yes.
To what time?
7.
Okay, we're gonna jog tomorrow, okay?
7. Very, very late.
And you have to wake up your dad also, because he's gonna jog with us.
Wait, actually.
Yeah.
But he has kidney problems.
That's why he has to exercise.
But it will just hurt.
No, he needs to get... Oh, there. Sir Kid defending himself that he already jogged. Okay.
Actually, this is me.
Okay, so keep us accountability. You may message me on Facebook or message Micho's page at 7 a.m. and ask us if we really jogged. Okay? I think it's time to end this live stream now.
Basta
So, what's happening tomorrow?
Anong dapat gagawin bukas?
We have no idea what we're doing in this live stream. Tell us what we're gonna do tomorrow. The last live stream tomorrow. Before mag-fly out Sir Keith with Glenn Barrett and other people from Manila who are going to fly to Cebu for their talks and all that stuff. Yes. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so let us know what we're gonna do tomorrow in the comments. Do you want us to cook? Do you want us to eat kimchi or spicy foods? Pwede rin. Parang maganda yung spicy foods, yung buldak noodles.
Or do the cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon challenge? Oh, that's so old, bro. What else? Watch bad videos but then not show you the videos, just watch a reaction, ganon. Mukbang. Buwad Jaime. Mukbang daw. Okay, mukbang it is. Like not a really bad mukbang because I will go home like late tonight to tomorrow night also. Bibigay ko pa kay Sir Keith yung Emma Chamberlain coffee niya. Gag, yung hand sign. Wow, mukbang siya. Okay, mukbang. Okay, I think we can end now with our 6 viewers.
Comment sa comments kung anong pwedeng gawin ni Jaime bukas. We again the video react contest. You will win a Binisaya short. Wala ko yung short karon. So, mga na siya.
May mic ka rin eh. Sabi ni Red, dapat maname ni Jaime ang different types of buwad. What's buwad?
Dried fish.
Dried fish. Where will we buy that, Red? Nice interacting with you, Red. Looking forward to see your future films. Before we end, we'll have 15 seconds of Micho looking at the camera. Wait, just stay there in the camera. Let me focus on your face. Go a bit farther.
Dapat na ni mo siyang hipuson na wala na ni.
Okay, just stay
Ganito
there.
naman
Look there. Again, my code for the Binisaya On Demand is Protasio. Say Protasio.
Potasio.
Good night, everybody. Basta si Jaime producer. If may time ako.
Ito man eh.
Good night. And live.
I was